Have you ever wondered why some espresso machines last for years while others seem to develop problems much sooner? Many coffee lovers spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a beautiful espresso machine, carefully choosing beans, grinders, and accessories. Yet there's one thing many people completely overlook: the water going into the machine. Welcome back, everybody. I appreciate every one of you more than you know. If you love better coffee, coffee hacks, and honest reviews, hit subscribe and ring that bell, because we've got a lot more coming. The surprising truth is that tap water can slowly damage your espresso machine from the inside out. You may not notice it happening at first, but over time the effects can become expensive. The biggest problem is mineral buildup, often called scale. When water contains calcium and magnesium, those minerals don't simply disappear when the water heats up. Instead, they begin collecting inside boilers, pipes, valves, and heating elements. Think of it like cholesterol building up in arteries. At first, everything seems fine, but little by little, those deposits grow thicker. As scale builds up, your machine has to work harder to heat water. Temperatures become less consistent, pressure can suffer, and eventually components may fail. That means costly repairs, poor espresso extraction, and in some cases replacing the machine entirely. Another problem is taste. Even if your machine survives, heavily treated municipal water can contain chlorine and other chemicals that affect flavor. Coffee is mostly water. If the water doesn't taste good by itself, it's unlikely to make great espresso. So what should you do? The answer isn't necessarily distilled water. In fact, completely mineral-free water can create problems of its own and may not produce the best tasting espresso. Instead, many coffee experts recommend filtered water that reduces chlorine and excess minerals while still leaving enough minerals behind for proper extraction. A simple water filter can often improve coffee flavor, reduce scale buildup, and help extend the life of your espresso machine. That's a small investment compared to replacing heating elements, pumps, or an entire machine. So if you've invested in an expensive espresso machine, don't forget about the ingredient that makes up over 98% of your coffee: water. Have you ever noticed mineral buildup in your coffee maker or espresso machine? Let everyone know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you're looking for some of my favorite coffee gear, brewing equipment, mugs, and accessories, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.